Morning, Miss. Good morning, Miss.
Good morning to Miss.
Okay, so as usual, we are going to do evaluation. So I will ask from the LP for this week. As usual, we'll start from the sounds great.
Okay.
So can you please explain, Miss?
What Miss?
The sounds great from
Yes.
sounds great.
In this week we learned there are 4
Wait,
sounds.
are you okay? You look so pale. Yeah. You're okay, right?
Yes, I'm well.
Okay.
There are for any sound. They are at the at the at, the and at the at. For example, at the
How many sounds?
4.
4.
4 sounds, right? They are the example at the bed, wet, red, and tat. For egg, bag, no, bag, egg, bag,
Oh yes.
begging,
Okay. Mm.
leg,
Mm.
egg, and pack, and then for
M or N?
and,
Okay.
hand, pan, man, tan. For at, wet, what? Wet, what else? Wet, and next, what else?
Let? No?
Don't forget wet,
Let? Oh yeah.
wet.
Is it only about now?
No, there is verb too, right? Like beg, the egg begging, right?
Okay.
Like jet. Only that.
Because mostly when I see you give some examples, yeah, it's like
Yes,
Almost
almost
all
all about now. Because it is still the simple one, right?
but I think you need to mix, right? Not only now, all
That is from the application, Miss.
from the application.
From the book.
I mean, for the additional, you didn't give.
No, we didn't give it, right? Because I think for this week there are already 16, right? And then later, if we want to add more, we just add from the story, Miss, because we
There
need
is
to
a
read the
story.
story and change. That is like the story. So the simple sentence.
And then from the story, most of the words that you have add is about noun.
Yes.
Okay, for the little steps, this is about ears. Can you explain about this, Miss? Still about senses, yeah?
Yes, this is the senses. For Monday, we focus for
Yeah, what is the function of your ears?
Yes,
How did you explain this?
the function of ears is for hearing. Do you know music? We can listen the music with our ears. Do you know voice? If we talk about something, we have voice, right? So we hear the voice with our ear.
Ears.
Yes.
But here, why do you put ears?
Yes, it is wrong.
You have known. Why didn't you add it?
Wrong type, Miss. I'm sorry.
So, could they explain?
What, Miss?
Could they explain this when you ask? Okay,
Yes.
what is the function of your
They
ears?
they can understand. They can
Cannot.
understand about. They can understand about that.
So, what did they answer?
They will answer. We can hear with our ears, Miss.
Okay, then the second, how does the orange juice taste?
The orange juice is sweet.
Sweet. Are you sure?
Yes.
Orange juice always sweet.
The main is for all. Actually, oranges is sweet, right? But if we are one that one no sugar or the taste of the orange is sour, so it will be sour.
You explain that.
Yes, but the mostly is sweet.
Why does the question almost same with the previous? Like last week, the question is like, what is your favorite food? Now, what is your favorite candy?
Yes, because this is still talk about our sense and the feature. We have the vocabularies and the vocabulary killing words under the book. We use that means for our guidelines.
Same with next week also.
Huh?
Same
Yeah,
with
the
next.
guidelines like that means.
Next week still about senses.
For next week, we will have special activity because there is review lesson.
Okay, so what did they answer when you asked this? What is your favorite candy flavor?
The favorite candy flavors is strawberry. This is only for example actually, yes. But we guide them how to answer it. Maybe they can answer my favorite candy flavor is orange is okay or chocolate is okay.
So did they have the variation answer?
Yes, of course.
Okay, next for the second checkpoint, this one, what color do you see in the rainbow?
Uh, in our
Did you explain what is the rainbow? And then you go to this one.
Actually, for this color, we just add yes about the rainbow. In the book, there are only about flowers, so we just add about the rainbow because rainbow has colorful, right? So we just explain. Do you know rainbow? Has actually has 7 colors,
It
right?
has.
But the basic one they are red, yellow, and green.
And then
For all colors is violet and then blue and then what else?
then
Red, violet, blue, yellow, green.
Did you ask them, have you ever seen rainbow?
Yes.
What did they answer?
Yes, I ever miss. We ever see the rainbow. Do you know the rainbow? When you can see the rainbow after the rain or before the rain comes, they will answer after raining.
Okay. So did they remember the colors of the rainbow?
Yes, we will try to ask them to interact with them. Do you know what color the rainbow students? They will try to answer it. They are red, yellow, green, and then blue, purple, violet, like that. And then we make the conclusion. Actually, there are 7 color, and then we will say together.
Or you sit together, yes. Okay, rainbow science. How did you explain about the things to make the ice cream? No, the ice from water.
The things we need water, cup and fridge to make ice from water.
I mean, what was the step before you go to this one?
Before we go to there are the lesson about the state of water. The state of water. Water can turn into ice. The water can turn into ice. Look at this. How the water can turn into ice? We need the water because there is the step. water, prepare the water, and then put the water into the cup or the box of ice cube, and then we keep the cup, there is water in the fridge. So what do we need to make water into ice? We will go to the CPQ.
Did you explain that the ice also can be turned on to water again?
Yes, of course, because the lesson also explain about that from the activity book. Actually, after the ice after ice turn into ice, the water can turn back to the water again. Why? If we take out from the fridge and we let it in the hot weather, it will turn into water again.
Okay. How did you explain this? Can you give the examples of the uses of water?
This is the verse. Our lesson. We will go to the next lesson. So after the state of the water, we go to uses of water. Now, students, look at this in front. There is uses of water. Look at the picture. Uh, what is the boy doing? The boy is taking a bath and then drinking and then what else? Washing dishes. So actually there are many functions. There are many uses of water. You can drink with water. You can take a bath with water. You can wash many things. Wash the dishes. Wash the clothes. Wash the car. Wash your bed with the water. And then we will re-ask them with the CPQs after we explain it.
Okay, for this one, seri baca tulis, why is the words is so short, like ini toko? Why don't you put like ini toko buku? No.
What do you mean, Miss? Please.
For seri baca tulis, ya.
Ya, kenapa, Miss?
The words too short. That's right.
Ya. Kalau kindergarten 1 masih kita belajar membaca 2-3 suku kata ya, Miss ya. Di semester 1 kita masih belajar satu kata aja. Satu kata dengan 2 suku kata, misalnya buku, buku, buku. Di semester 2 jadi itu dinaikkan levelnya sedikit, Miss. Jadi ditambah 2-3 kata dalam satu kalimat sederhana.
Maksud saya kan, kalau untuk seri baca tulis tambah satu kata lagi. Ini toko buku.
Oh.
Apa mereka
itu masih
terlalu susah ya?
Iya, masih terlalu susah, Miss. Karena kan masih tahap, Miss. Apalagi ini kan masih bulan 2 ya kan. Mereka masih proses belajar, sebagian masih ada yang mengeja, ya kan, mengeja. Kalau beberapa yang pintar, mereka sudah mulai bisa baca secara langsung. Jadi belum sesuai dengan buku juga, memang seperti itu. Lalu kemudian kemarin waktu kelas visit, disarankan dulu sebenarnya untuk 2 kata, karena di semester 1 kan masih belajar satu kata. Iya, jangan terlalu cepat, nanti yang belum bisa jadi tidak terlalu
ketinggalan.
Iya.
Berarti ini udah berdasarkan approve lah ya?
Iya, itu udah berdasarkan buku juga.
Berdasarkan buku.
Iya.
Berarti memang dibatasi masih 2 kata aja dulu maksimal gitu ya?
Iya, untuk dikte kita buat 2 kata dulu, tapi kalau menurut buku sudah 3 kata.
Di buku sudah 3 kata?
Iya, itu.
Tapi mereka masih belum bisa dibilang gitu ya?
Iya,
untuk
tapi
3 kata.
Kalau membaca sudah, tapi kalau untuk menulis dikte, karena dikte kan kita sebutkan ya kan, kita bimbing mereka untuk menuliskan kata-kata itu kan sedikit lebih sulit daripada praktek membacanya, Miss, ya kan?
Butuh waktu lebih banyak lagi untuk menulis ya. Okay. Now for the ISP signs. So what do you do here, Miss?
ISP signs untuk minggu ini kita hanya sebenarnya ISP sign, bahasa, matematika, itu kita adalah review lesson. kita sebenarnya kalau mengikuti book map sesuai dengan panduan itu seharusnya ada review HW sama special activity. Tetapi karena waktu kita terbatas, Miss, kita hanya buat special activity di matematika. Yang lainnya kita review dengan HW.
Apa yang bisa review di sini?
Itu mengenai pekerjaan, Miss, unit 2.
Pekerjaan juga.
Iya, pekerjaan masih ada. Unit 2 review.
Yang membuatnya beda apa Miss waktu mereview ini? Antara bahasa dan sains. Kan review tadi Miss bilang kan?
Iya. Jadi kalau review itu sebenarnya kalau itu dari kalau bahasa itu sebenarnya itu dari CPQ ya. Dari checkpoint. Karena kan di HW nggak ada ya sebenarnya ya.
Kalau sains?
Sama sains juga, karena yang di HW itu cuma matematika aja yang ada HW-nya.
CPQ-nya ada?
Ada sebenarnya, bisa ada.
Tapi kok nggak ada di sini?
Iya, mungkin sedikit lupa menyematkan di situ, Bis.
Ada. Jadi apa pertanyaannya apa yang Miss kasih?
Review sains sama bahasa itu harusnya CPQ.
CPQ-nya apa Miss?
Seperti.
Kok bisa kelewat ini?
Iya.
CPQ-nya nggak ada. Jadi apa ya pertanyaannya?
Pertanyaannya apa jenis-jenis pekerjaan? Nah, kembali lagi seperti itu kan. Kalau
paling banyak
bahasa,
berapa? Paling banyak berapa Miss minta mereka untuk menjawab?
Nah, kita kan sebutkan dulu pertama Miss. Saya biasanya tanya satu-satu. Satu orang satu dengan jawaban yang berbeda. Nah, ada yang jawab dokter, petani, guru, pilot, perawat, dan lain-lainnya. Tapi kita minta mereka seminimalnya 3.
Minimal 3.
Iya, minimalnya 3.
Apalagi? Kan ada 2 tuh CPQ-nya kan?
Iya.
Satu lagi apa?
Nah, jadi pertanyaan berikutnya, kalau untuk ASP bahasa, apa yang bisa dilakukan?
Bukan, untuk ASP Sains CPQ-nya cuma 1. Biasanya kan 2 itu.
Iya.
Satu jenis-jenis pekerjaan
Science,
tadi.
Ya. Satu jenis pekerjaan. Kedua, tentang berat dan ringan.
Berat dan ringan? Iya. Perbedaan antara berat dan ringan gitu.
Berat dan ringan.
Bagaimana Miss menjelaskannya?
Jadi ketika orang tua membawa berat dan ringan, itu bisa kita contohkan dengan hal yang sederhana seperti batu dan kertas, ya kan? Jadi kita kembali ke pelajaran yang sudah kita jelaskan, kita kembali ulang lagi, Miss. Ya. Yang mana lebih berat kalau Miss punya sebuah batu sama kertas? Nah, kalau kertas dia akan lebih ringan karena kita mudah untuk mengangkatnya. Sedangkan batu itu kita akan terasa bebannya dan lebih sulit untuk mengangkatnya. Atau bisa kita contohkan kembali dengan botol kosong dan
Right. So for the second CP question, you said after you explain about tentang jenis pekerjaan untuk ASP Science, apalagi?
Terus menjelaskan
perbedaan berat dan ringan tadi ya. Jadi balik lagi ke yang sebelumnya. Oke. Contohnya apa tadi Miss kasih?
Kertas dan batu atau botol minuman yang berisi air dengan yang kosong.
Yang kosong. Untuk ASP bahasa apa yang dijelaskan?
Untuk ASP bahasa kita kembali ke pekerjaan dulu, kita jadi tanya dulu jenis pekerjaannya apa dan di mana mereka bekerja. Nah, seperti guru mereka akan bekerja di sekolah, pilot bekerja.
Berarti lokasi tempat mereka bekerja.
Menyangkut. Jadi dia menyangkut bagaimana dia tempat bekerja dan apa yang dikerjakan, seperti itu kalau bahasa. Jadi lebih banyak berinteraksi komunikasi bahasanya.
Apalagi CPQ keduanya?
Setelah di mana tempat pekerjaannya, apa yang mereka lakukan, seperti dokter memeriksa pasien, guru misalnya apa, mengajari siswa, memberikan penjelasan pelajaran, mengawasi siswa, mengecek buku, dan petani bekerja di sawah seperti menanam jagung, menanam padi. Nah, seperti itu penjelasannya.
Jadi penjelasan tentang alat-alat pekerjaan di mana?
Itu tentang matematika. Nah, dari di situ apa alat-alat yang digunakan kembali lagi untuk supaya mereka berhitung. Nah, misalnya ada berapa? Misalnya dokter menggunakan stetoskop. Jumlah di buku ada gambar-gambarnya. Jadi kita ajak mereka untuk berhitung.
Alright. Okay, so for the practical life, what do you do?
For the practical lab, we will make pouring the water from the pitcher to a cup.
Just pouring the water.
Huh?
Just pouring the water.
Yes.
So
So it will train the students how to make them focus with the water because they should see the water, right? Some of the students maybe they will confuse how to do that. Yes, because we need
confused.
yeah, confused because if they are not focused to to pour the water, it will be spill out, right? It will spill out, and then the table will be wet, and the floor will be wet too, like that means. So I think it is important. Yes, it is important to our daily life, right?
So you prepare the pitcher, the cup.
And the water.
Oh, yeah. So next, what else for this? I mean, like project maybe other.
Only that means special activity about math and then practical life.
Practical life.
Yes. So we have to.
You have to. Okay then. Pictionary.
I think there is no Pictionary until in the end of the semester, Miss. Maybe we will continue. Again
Until the end of
yes,
semester,
the
June?
new term,
On June.
July.
July.
Yes, because we
No
will
more
have
Pictionary.
graduation, right?
So no more Pictionary, yeah?
Yes.
Alright, I think that's enough for the evaluation for today. Okay, for the next, I don't want to see like this one, yeah? You don't put the CPK question, the LP.
Yes.
Yeah, you miss it.
That one, how is?
For
We
science,
forget about that.
for science and bahasa also.
Huh?
For science and bahasa, there are two.
Yes, true.
Ah,
Science and bahasa only. For matematika, we use review homework.
yeah, so that's why. For the next, I hope not like this anymore, yeah, miss. For others, yeah, I think your explanation was clear, so you pass in this evaluation.
Thank you, Miss.
Miss.